Ithimba lamaphoyisa beliyobhunga emswaneni emndenini yamaphoyisa amabili, uSayitsheni Sintwa noSayitsheni Masenya, abadutshulwe babulawa besemsebenzini ngoLwesihlanu. Ungqongqoshe uqinisekise imindeni ukuthi uJabulani Moyo nongumsolwa kuleli cala uzoboshwa ngokuphazima kweso.
This is just another reminder of the difficult and dangerous work that the South African Police Service and its members do on behalf of our people, and the dangerous and vicious nature of the criminals out there who are willing to kill without mercy. I am confident that in this particular case, the suspects and the police are already making progress, that the suspects will be apprehended and that they will face justice.
Lamaphoyisa adutshulwe abulawa ebuya kolanda umsolwa uJabulani Moyo enkantolo yemantshi yaseRoodeport eGoli. Umsolwa kumanje ugcwele amathafa. Amaphoyisa asekhiphe umehlo kaboni ka150,000 wamarandi ozonikezwa noma ngabe ubani ongaba nolwazi lokuthi ukuphi umsolwa.